In this video, we are going to discuss some activities related to the chapter 7, Getting to Know Plants. Take out the page 88. Here, we are going to discuss the activity to show that leaves make food by photosynthesis. Number 1. Pluck a green leaf from a potted plant which has been kept in sunlight. Next, put the green leaf in a small beaker and cover it completely by adding alcohol or spirit. Next, place the beaker containing leaf and alcohol in a bigger beaker containing water. Heat the water in bigger beaker over a burner. Actually, students, we do not heat the alcohol containing beaker directly over burner because alcohol will catch fire. Okay. So, what will happen when we heat the water in a beaker over a burner? The hot water will then heat alcohol in smaller beaker, and the hot alcohol will remove the green color, that is chlorophyll, from the leaf. Keep heating till all the green color of the leaf is removed. The leaf becomes almost colorless and the alcohol becomes green. Dear students, it is necessary to remove green chlorophyll from the leaf because it interferes with the test for starch. Now, take out the decolorized leaf from alcohol and wash it thoroughly with water to remove any chlorophyll that may be sticking to it. Place the decolorized leaf in a petri dish. Pour dilute iodine solution over the decolorized leaf with the help of a dropper. The leaf turns blue-black, showing the presence of starch in it. This starch is the food which has been prepared by the leaf by photosynthesis. Therefore, from the above activity, we conclude that leaves of a plant make starch as food by photosynthesis. We will now describe an activity to show that sunlight is necessary for making food like starch by the leaves by the process of photosynthesis. This can be done as follows. First, take a potted plant having green leaves and place it in a completely dark place for 2 to 3 days to de-starch its leaves. Actually, when a potted plant is kept in a completely dark place for 2 to 3 days, then its leaves will not have any starch left in them. Why? Because the starch which is already present in the leaves of the plant kept in the dark is all used up by the plant itself for meeting its own energy needs during these 2 or 3 days. Understand? And we say that the leaves have been de-starched. This pre-activity process is very necessary to show that sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. Now we will start with the activity. Now take a thin strip of aluminium foil and wrap it in the center of one leaf on both the sides while the leaf is still attached to the plant. The aluminium foil should be fixed tightly to the leaf by using paper clips so that sunlight may not enter it from the sides. Now keep the potted plant with partially covered leaf in bright sunshine for 3 to 4 days. Pluck the partially covered leaf from the plant and remove the aluminium foil. Remove chlorophyll from this leaf by heating in alcohol as described in the previous activity. The leaf becomes colorless. Now wash it with water. Place the decolorized leaf in a petri dish. Pour dilute iodine solution over the decolorized leaf with the help of a dropper. So what do we observe? We observe that the middle part of leaf, which was covered with aluminium foil, does not turn blue-black on adding iodine solution, showing that no starch is present in the middle part of the leaf. This means that the middle part of leaf which did not get sunlight could not make starch food by photosynthesis, isn't it? Whereas the uncovered parts of leaf on both sides of aluminum foil, which were exposed to sunlight, turn blue-black on adding iodine solution, showing that starch is present in the outer parts of leaf. This means that outer parts of leaf which got sunlight could make starch food by photosynthesis, isn't it? So, what do we conclude from this activity? We conclude that sunlight is necessary to make food like starch by photosynthesis. Our next activity is to show transpiration in plants. The leaves of plants give out water constantly in the form of water vapor which goes into air. This process is called transpiration. This we all know. Now we will describe an activity to show the process of transpiration in plants. For that, take a well-watered potted plant having big leaves and enclose a leafy stem or branch of the plant in a clean polythene bag and seal the mouth of polythene bag properly with sellotape. Keep this potted plant in the sunshine for 2 to 3 hours. Now, what do we observe? We will see a number of water droplets on the inner side of the polythene bag. Actually, the leaves of plant give out water vapor. Since the leaves are enclosed in polythene bag, the water vapor cannot escape into air. Some of this water vapor condenses to form tiny drops of water. It is these droplets of water which we see sticking to the inner sides of the polythene bag. Therefore, from this activity we conclude that the leaves of a plant lose water through transpiration.